Say hi to my vlog. You look like an emo person.
Me? It's probably the hair right now.
Yeah.
My problem?
Yeah.
Do I look like an emo person?
No, you look like an emo person still. Okay, vlog. So this hasn't really been much of a vlog because it's basically just been me showing different things and not really explaining anything. But now that's Friday, I finally feel like I can catch up. Also, I received my first hate comment on my YouTube videos. Thank you very much, kind sir. And basically, to address that, just not really to address that, but just to say that YouTube shouldn't be for the views. It should be for your personal enjoyment, first off. And honestly, I have more than one view, so obviously someone is clicking on my video, so thank you very much. This week, it was very lecture heavy in terms of just staying on top of the topics because we had 3 big lectures on lipids and then we have 3 on carbs, so it was dense material and I wanted to get ahead, so I did not get ahead but write down notes as I go instead of just playing catch up as usual. So that's why I've been studying and not talking so much, which who knows, maybe some of you guys do enjoy. Yesterday in my meeting I signed up to be a prenatal coach as part of one of the service learning groups at my school, so that's really exciting. And I said that I do speak Spanish as a medical interpreter, so that means that I might get assigned a predominantly Spanish speaking patient. So that should be interesting to meet with her in person, maybe go to her appointments, text her, call her once a week. Yeah, that's about it for this week. I go to live lecture at 10 because they do not put up the recordings quickly enough. So I'll be waiting around all weekend to wait for the carbohydrates lecture 2 when I already saw 1 and 3. So it's kind of a pain. This weekend, it's exactly halfway through the block, so I feel like if I study a lot this weekend, I won't be as stressed that weekend before the exam and exam week itself like I was last time. And then after this block, I have WOW week, which is week on the wards. I'm pretty sure it's just being a glorified shadow, maybe not glorified, just a shadow. So that should be super interesting. Take a break from classes and see the clinical setting more. want to say that I'm really excited that I made some friends. I need human interaction. I hope you enjoyed this pretty boring vlog. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.